So if you could use Desmos or your graphing calculator to solve this, super easy. Type this into one equation. Right? On your graphing calculator, you have y1 and y2. In Desmos, you would just write one equation with one, the other equation with the other, and where do they cross? That's as simple as that question is. Okay? But you also solve these questions in grade 11 without a graphing calculator. So I'm going to review how you solved square root equations in grade 11, because it's a good review. Okay? First, you got rid of the square root. Algebraically, how do you get rid of a square root? Square. So I'm going to square this side and square this side. If I square the left side, I just get 3x plus 2. If I square negative 6 plus x, I have to FOIL it out. I will get 36 minus 12x plus x squared. And that's where people make mistakes, right? You start making them in grade 9. You made them on your identities test when you had to do sine theta plus cos theta all squared. Some of you didn't FOIL it out. Did you do that? Soon. You just throw them in the garbage. Just throw them in the garbage. How I got this? I FOILed. As I square that, that means multiply by itself. 36 minus 6x minus 6x plus x squared. Now, what kind of equation is this? That's why it's grade 11. It's a quadratic equation. How do you solve a quadratic equation? You make one side equal to 0, and either factor, move 3x and minus 15x. Agreed? Does this factor nice? It looks like it should, but it doesn't. So if it doesn't factor nice, you have to use your quadratic formula. Plug it into your quadratic formula. And we get x equals 15 plus or minus the square root of 89 all over 2. And then you could check that on your calculator, what they are. Now the interesting thing about one of the answers is 12.2, and the other answer
minus 2.7.
I got plus 2.7. Did anybody do it on their calculator or Desmos? And what answer do you get on Desmos?
Wait. What did we miss? Where did they intersect?
Yeah, where did they intersect?
12.2 and 6.2.
2 places.
Oh, no, sorry, I'm looking at the one. 12.2.
Just at 12.2. So when you went to your calculator, this one worked, but this one doesn't show up. And this is again something from grade 11. That's why I wanted to do this one. Whenever you're solving a square root equation, you have to check it. Okay? The 12.2, can you see that you're going to get a positive number on this side and a positive number on this side? In fact, the square root of any number is always positive. The square root of 9 is just 3. The square root of 16, just 4. That's the rule for square roots. on their calculators, only a positive value. Can you see why 2.78 is going to be bad when we plug it into the right side here? -6 plus 2.78 is still going to be negative. So it's called an extraneous root, a root that appears to be the right answer, but isn't. So I just wanted to review solving this without technology is a grade 11 question. Tough grade 11 question. Because it has square roots, quadratic formula, checking your answers. You probably didn't remember that you have to check answers with square root equations. So, ones to practice for number 4 are question number 9.